It is no news that billions of people in the world are using social media. And if your business does not align with the social media space, you are losing a lot. And that is why I will be showing you today on how to make money using affiliate marketing, where you can leverage the population who are using the social media for your own advantage. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Dr. Vincent H. Obugwa. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most popular and accessible ways to make money online, affiliate marketing. If you have ever wondered how people make money by simple recommending products or services, stick around. By the end of this video, you have the tools and strategies to start earning with affiliate marketing. And trust me, it's easier than you think. So let's jump right into it. All right, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's start with the basics. What is affiliate marketing? It's a pretty simple way of it. The simplest way marketing is when you promote someone else's product or services and you earn a commission whether someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link. That is affiliate marketing. So let's break it down even more. Imagine you are promoting a pair of headphones you love. You share the product link with your audience, and if someone buys through that link, you earn a commission. No need to create or ship the product yourself, and that is the beauty of affiliate marketing. How does affiliate marketing work? Here is how affiliate marketing works. Find a product or service to promote. You need something that fits your niche or audience. Number two, get affiliate link. Once you join an affiliate program, they give you a special link, and this link you promote the product with. The link you can now promote the product. You share the link on your blog, your YouTube channel, social media handle, website, and you earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through that link, and you earn a cut. Where to find affiliate programs? So how do you find affiliate programs to join? Well, there are tons of options that are there, where few of these popular affiliate networks I can personally recommend. Number one, Amazon Associates. This is one of the easiest and most popular affiliate program. It's free to join and you can promote millions of products. Amazon brand is trusted worldwide and it's an easy to sell, especially if you are reviewing product or doing unboxing. Number two is ClickBank. ClickBank is perfect for digital products. You will find ebooks, online courses, software tools, and more. Plus, ClickBank has some high commission, up to 75% in some cases. Another one again is Share Share Essay. Share Essay connects you with thousands of merchants across various industries. It's it's great for niche website or blogs. You can find companies in health, technology, fashion, and almost every industry you can find in Share Essay. Number four is CJ Affiliate. CJ Affiliate or Commission Junction, as it's popularly called. Another popular choice, especially for physical products, you can partner with is CJ Affiliate. They are well-known brands and the companies in nearly every sector. So you can leverage each of these affiliate links that I have shared. I also share with you tips for successful affiliate marketing. So how are you going to be successful in this affiliate marketing? Now that you know where to find affiliate program, so let's talk about some tips to be successful while you are doing this affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing isn't just about posting a link or hoping for the best. Here are my top tips for maximizing your affiliate earnings. Number one, focus on a niche. Pick a niche that you are passionate about or already have an audience in, whether it's fitness niche, tech gadgets, or beauty products. Narrowing down to your focus helps build authority in and trust in that niche. Number two is build trust with your audience. Trust is everything in affiliate marketing. Always be honest with your audience. Don't promote products just for the sake of making money. Be honest with your audience. Be honest with them. And I say it again, be honest with them. Number three, create high quality content. Create content that is of high quality. Great content is key. Whether it's blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media posts, make sure your content provides value. Think about how to guide product reviews, tutorials, or comparisons. The more helpful and informative your content is, the more likely your audience will click on your link. So ensure that you create a great high or high quality content while promoting your link. Number four is use email marketing. Building an email list can dramatically increase your affiliate revenue. Once you have a list of engaged subscribers, you can promote affiliate products directly to them, often resulting in higher conversion rates. Now, let's look at how much you can earn from affiliate marketing. Let's talk about how much you can earn actually. The truth is, affiliate marketing income varies. Some people make a few dollars a month, while others make full-time income or even more. For example, a beginner might earn 50 to $200 per month, while a full-time affiliate marketer could easily make or earn 5,000 to 10,000 US dollars per month. It all depends on how much time and effort you can put into it, into promoting that product, and how well you can connect with your audience. So there you have it. Affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Start by choosing the right product, build trust with your audience, and create valuable content, and be consistent in your promotion. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time, but it's totally achievable. If you stay committed, if you enjoyed this video, please share, like, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you.